Are you feeling tired all the time? Do you have constant joint pain? Are you lacking mental clarity and focus? Do you think that this is common because you're getting older? This is what we were taught, and this is what we were told, especially if you're watching TV or listening to the news. As you get into your 40s, 50s, and 60s, your body's supposed to be breaking down. This is what they tell you. And so mentally you're thinking, oh, I'm older, so this is why I'm getting sick. This is why I'm having elbow, knee pain, because I'm getting older. That's why I'm so tired all the time. And I can't focus. I can't remember where I put my keys because I'm getting older. This is what the media and Big Pharma would like you to believe. Why? Because they make more money off of your fear, off of your belief that you are supposed to be sick. They make money off of that. You see that they prescribe a pill for every ill, regardless of what the pain is. Headache, take this pill. Joint pain, take that pill. Can't focus, take another pill. And these pills cause all types of side effects, and many of these side effects causes mental illnesses. They cause chronic back pain and other joint pain and other types of suffering. So you have to watch what you put into your body. You see, your body is like a machine, and you have to take care of that body if you want it to perform at optimal health. I took my car to the mechanic the other day and had him put on new brakes and install a new battery, because I know that over time brakes wear out, batteries die out, and if you want your car to work at optimal performance, you have to give it what it needs. It's the same with your body. Now, what do you give your body? How do you help your body to perform at optimal level? Well, this is what you do. The first thing you have to do, you have to feed it properly. Food is fuel. Just like fuel from a car, if you don't give it the right fuel, it's not gonna work. The same with your body. You feed it the right fuel. And when I think of fuel, however you want to call it, I think of fruits, vegetables, hydration. Very important, because when you feed your body right, your body's going to act right. And I believe that we should prioritize our health, because prioritizing our health is the ultimate power move. And that's why I'm talking today about eating healthy and the importance of making your health a priority. And if you do that, you're going to find that your body is going to perform at optimal levels. And eating properly is going to help your body to do just that. Most people don't realize that food is medicine. There was a quote years ago by Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, who said over 2,500 years ago, let food be your medicine and medicine your food. So what we eat determines how we feel. It will determine how our body functions. And also, did you know that fruit and vegetables actually talk to your cells? That's right. There's a language that living food has that helps our bodies to perform better. But when you feed your body food that has no oxygen, that's not non-living foods, your body cannot communicate with those foods, and therefore the body can break down. So that's why you see so many people getting sick living off of the standard American diet, but they're highly processed foods. So we need to eat more foods that will give us life and give us energy. And those are fruits and vegetables. So if you're not putting those fruits and vegetables on your plate, you're doing your body a disservice. Again, remember, your body's like a car. If you take care of that car by making sure it has the proper fuel, it has the batteries is up to par, brakes are working fine, everything that it needs, your body is going to perform at a much higher level, regardless of its age. And that's the key. So keep that in mind. And now, as we talk about prioritizing our health as the ultimate power move, let's talk about exercise, which is another very important part. when it comes to optimum health. Your body was meant to move, but if you don't move, you're going to lose that mobility. There's a saying, either you use it or you lose it. But when you exercise, it doesn't have to be an arduous, hard exercise. It could be something simple as walking. Walking 30 minutes a day will help your body to perform at a more optimal level. So you're feeding your body right, and you're moving your body. And you should find activities that you enjoy. You may not enjoy going to the gym and lifting weights, as I do, but you may enjoy going to the tennis court and hitting a tennis ball. You may enjoy rock climbing. You may enjoy swimming. Find activities that's going to help you to move your body on a regular basis. That's what's going to help you. That's going to also strengthen your heart. Your heart's a muscle. It's a muscle, but the only way to work a muscle is to challenge it. So challenge your body. Move more frequently. Make your health a priority, because if you don't make it a priority, who will? Who will? Okay? If you have children, you want to see them grow. You have grandchildren, you want to see them grow. But the only way to ensure that you will be around is to take care of your health. Make your health a priority, because you can't help anyone if you can't help yourself. And that's a fact. Right? So now, in making your health a priority, you're going to focus on eating better, right? You're going to focus on exercise. Another thing you're going to do is make sure you get proper rest. I can't tell you how good it feels to get uninterrupted sleep for 6-7 hours. Your body feels totally rejuvenated, and you feel like you can go out and conquer the world for the next day. And you can, if you make your health a priority. So that's just a few things I want you to think about. Prioritizing your health is an investment, not a chore. It really is an investment. You are the CEO of your health. Okay? When I tell people, look, I'm in charge of my corporation. I'm in charge of myself. I'm the CEO of me. And my stock rises or falls based on what I do each and every day. So take charge and make your health a priority. Healthy habits can inspire others to want to do the same. And if you can inspire just one person to want to take care of themselves, that's going to make a big difference. There's a saying that it takes a village to raise a child. Well, you can be that village. Let's make prioritizing our health the ultimate power move for a vibrant, fulfilling life. And remember, we don't stop exercising because we grow old. We grow old because we stop exercising. Let's do this.